Hello, everyone. Today is a great day. I am having a great start or the middle of the day or something. I was just playing with my wrestlers, and now I'm going to show you the book that we're going to read today. It's one of the first ever Piggy and Gerald books that I ever read. It is called There Is a Bird on Your Head. You can just get all of a bird. Oh, like a family of birds because there's a lot of birds. There's a bird on your head. Gerald doesn't look too happy about this situation. A few zigzag lines. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. Yes, there is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. He's waving. Hello, guys. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Look, I see two birds. Now there are two birds on your head. I don't like a bird on my head. I'll just keep on yelling. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. Literally, I have a cap on my head. They are lovebirds! Lovebirds. How do you know they were lovebirds? They kissed. And there was a heart at the top of them. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Pretty funny. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Stay with me, guys. 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. Beyond right there. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Would you rather have hatched eggs on your head or just eggs? I would just have hatched ones so they can fly out and be done with me. Hatching? The eggs are hatching on my... The eggs on my head are hatching, except for little baby chicks. But me, peep, peep, peep. They have hatched. Still holding it. No, I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. And a worm. As you can see here, there's a worm in its mouth. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Or elsewhere. Why don't you ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them! Okay. I will try asking. Oh my gosh, they ate that worm like it was just a crumb. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Fancy talking. Oh, I don't like that version of my voice. No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Wait, they told me. You have to see Piggy on the next page. You are welcome. Look, they got a new worm. It's like this one's gonna eat the whole entire thing. Well, that's it. And the pigeons eating a hot dog over here. So the bird family. Damn. Well, so I hope you like this book. Please put thumbs up and a like. And I would love to hear your comments. Bye-bye.